Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we will be assembling the Higgins boat. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. So this kit comes in this main part and then this other part. For this other part you take these sprue cutters, cut away, then they cut away like that. Next, just take your sprue cutters, cut away like that. There we go. So those parts are there, and then just carefully cut the rest of these little pieces. Just cutting away like this. Lots of little cuts to do for this. But the idea is simple, just cutting away the sprue pieces. All right, we're not done with the cutters quite yet. Just cut away and try to be careful, but trying to get all that stuff cut away underneath the gun. Like that. And then let's do it for the second one. So now this process is done. Optionally, you can take the sanding supplies that you have and sand underneath the gun to make sure that looks nice. All right, so the simple steps for this process. What you want to do is make it like that. So yeah, for that process, we can just get some glue here, maybe some glue at the ends to make sure those stay down, and glue halfway in between. Maybe one glue dab at that point there. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to carefully place this top piece down, and so visually make sure that everything is lining up well. So that's lined up pretty well. That's the main part of this Higgins boat. And then there's this front piece that should go like that. Or if you're doing the landing scene, you could glue it like that. But for the purposes of this video, we'll be gluing it like that. So just take a bit of glue, put it there, some glue there, and some glue there. And then take a piece like that, like this. We are working with the 15mm version of this item, but at miniaturetanks.com, it's available in many different scales. Last, but certainly not least, is you have two different options. These little shield type things, or the gun itself. And I believe that, the gun you could use, or the shield, or a mix of both. But for the purposes of this video, we'll just glue on the two guns. So it's fairly simple. Just put some glue right there and right there, and then place your guns. That. Of course, you could put them in an angle or whatever you wish, but for now, that's what we'll do. All right, so that's the Higgins boat. Thank you so much for watching.